Hey folks, how y'all doing and welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about the RedMagic Smartwatch, a budget smartwatch that you can get right around 100 euros or even $100 for some weird reason. But anyways, in today's video I will tell you everything that you need to know, what the watch can do, how accurate the GPS tracking is, and if it's worth the buy. So without further ado, let's start the video. But first, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel. Also click the notification bell to always be notified whenever I upload new videos, so you will never miss out on any new content. Now with that being said, let's start. Just by looking at the specs and the design, you'll think you have like a $300+ watch in your hand, but it has a 1.39-inch AMOLED touch display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. It has a really nice bezel which tempers a little bit off toward the edges of the smartwatch, and two physical buttons in a metal frame. The lower one takes you to the workout section and the upper takes you to your app menu. Overall, you have a big smartwatch with 46 by 46 by 11 millimeters, but therefore you have Bluetooth and accelerometer, built-in GPS, and up to 15 days of battery life, which seems about right. I had this watch on my wrist for like 3 days and it only went down by like 20%. Now that I mentioned built-in GPS, let's talk about that for a sec. On my testing, I was basically walking in straight lines and it really didn't do too good. It told me I was walking in circles, far into some houses. I apparently walked across a little creek or whatever that was. So obviously the built-in GPS isn't working at all. I was at least expecting that it tracks the whole route, but it stopped midway through. As for the stat counting, it really didn't do too bad. I compared it to the Huawei Watch 3. This one gave me 7,200 steps, whereas the RedMagic Smartwatch gave me 7,000 steps, so it only was off by 200 steps. As for the mileage, it wasn't really that good. The Huawei Watch 3 gave me 5.31 kilometers, whereas the RedMagic Watch gave me 6.3 kilometers. As for the heart rate tracking, it was very good. It was always a little bit on the lower side of things, but not bad for a $100 budget smartwatch. The last two trackers are the SpO2 tracker and the sleep tracker. Unfortunately, the SpO2 tracker does not track 24/7 like the heartbeat tracker, so you always have to do it manually, which is a bummer. And the sleep tracker is only giving you a very basic graph with the sleep duration, your light sleep, deep sleep phases, as well as the REM and awake time. Now that we got all of that out of the way, let's get to our sport modes. Overall, we have 16 different sport modes to choose from, like football, other training, strength training. We have basketball, swimming, hiking, indoor walking, cycling, and all of that jazz. So it basically tracks all of the common sport modes. I really have to give the RedMagic team props on the design of the apps and the colors. The sport modes and especially the weather widget, they look super nice. The colors are vivid and the text are crisp. Now, like with every other smartwatch, we have a music player with which you can go back a track, skip a track, we can play and pause, and we can adjust the volume. If we swipe up, we get to the notifications, to which we cannot reply, but at least we get notifications from about every app. Just open up the RedMagic app and activate all of the notifications. Over here you can also set the interval time of your heart rate, see your health stats for the last week and month, and you can do quite a lot of customizations over here. Just check that out. If we swipe down, we get to the quick panel where we can adjust the brightness in 5 different levels or just put it in auto brightness. We have D&D mode, battery saving mode, and giving the screen a 2-second press, we get to choose a new watch face. Now, if those are not enough, you can download some more from the RedMagic App Store. They take a while till they load it, but after that, you have quite a few to choose from. And folks, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you like my content, of course, and click the notification bell to never miss out on any new videos. Now with that being said, see you next time. Peace.